In today's how-to video, we will be showing you how to assemble our extra large mobile storage unit. Let's get into it. Start by turning the bottom panel upside down. Make sure the raised lip is at the front and install all 4 castors. Ensure you install the 2 lockable castors at the front. Now, turn the base over and lock the front castors to keep the base steady for the rest of the assembly. Insert the side panels and push down until the 2 tabs on the bottom bracket lock in. Now, slide the back panel into place as shown, giving it a light tap at the top on both sides to ensure each of the tabs lock into place on the bottom brackets. Make sure the locking channel is inserted correctly as shown. Insert the middle panel, giving it a light tap to make sure it is in position and the holes line up. Lay the unit down and fix the middle panel to the base using the provided screws. Install the wiring grommet and the shelf supports on the cabinet side of the unit and insert the shelf. Now, place the top panel in position, lightly tapping around the edges with a mallet to make sure it's sitting correctly and fix the panel with the provided screws. Install the anti-slip top liner with plastic on for now and use as a bench top to finish the assembly. Now, it's time to install the locking mechanism. Install the locking tongue by inserting one end into the top slot in the locking channel and connecting the other end to the lock barrel. Insert the key and make sure the mechanism functions correctly. Now, attach the locking plate to the inside part of the lock barrel and lightly tap into place using a hammer. Retest the locking mechanism. Start by fixing the side and back panels together. Now insert the base panel as shown and fix using the provided screws. Attach the front panel of the drawer by sliding in as shown. Once screws are fixed, attach the white screw caps where necessary on the inside of the drawer and insert the drawer liner. Follow the same steps for the remaining drawers. To insert the drawers into the unit, simply line up the tracks with the runners and push until inserted. To install the cabinet doors, insert the bottom hinge pin into position and place the bottom of the door onto the pin. Now use the spring hinge to fix the top of the door in place. Repeat this step for the other door. If you need to remove any of the drawers, simply pull the drawer out and use the handles on both sides to release the traps from the runners. Please note, one handle will need to be pushed down and the other pulled up. And that's it.